Shalom, shalom, shalom. Give honor and praise to Yahuwah. I just had a vision and I heard an audible voice that said 7.6 earthquake. 7.6 earthquake. Like I was dozing off and all of a sudden I heard 7.6 earthquake. I jumped up. I didn't even finish the vision. I was like, yo, what was that? Is it really going to be a 7.6 earthquake? Like, I've never had an audible vision, like just audible. It was so weird. Oh my goodness. You guys, I pray that a 7.6 earthquake is not about to happen. Oh my goodness. I'm like freaking out. And like soon as I went to doze off, it's crazy. All of a sudden I just heard 7.6 earthquake. You guys, I love you. Please be safe. Shalom.